The 2025 Ram 1500 is getting a mid-cycle refresh for the brand new version year. Adjustments that Ram has made to its full-size pickup truck include an updated outside design, a new twin-turbo engine, new technology functions, a brand new high-performance Archo trim, and a brand new range-topping tungsten trim. Here's everything we know about the upcoming 2025 Ram 1500. The exterior style of the 2025 Ram 1500 gets some visible adjustments for the brand new year. The pickup truck's front end take advantage of a reshaped grille, slimmer front lights, and an upgraded front bumper. The rear end of the Ram 1500 gained from modified taillights, while consumers will also find updated paint shades and brand new wheel designs. The adjustments provide the Ram 1500 a sleeker, more contemporary design. On the within, the 2025 Ram 1500 preserves the exact same overall interior decoration as the existing vehicle that gets on sale. The chunky control panel has a large range of controls, up and down oriented air vents, and bigger screens for 2025. The Ram 1500 has actually constantly been known for being one of the much more glamorous choices in the course, and the 2025 model year brings much more high-end touches. The brand new tungsten trim brings premium functions like 24-way power adjustable pole position, Natura and also natural leather furniture, a suede-wrapped headliner, regulates with ruby knurling, a shifter center cap with a crystal-like impact, and metal indoor accents with diamond knurling. Ram has actually confirmed that the 2025 1500 will certainly include an upgraded 12-inch touchscreen or a new 14.5-inch touchscreen. Both displays make use of Ram's latest Uconnect 5 system. The 12-inch touchscreen has a greater resolution than the one that's currently offered in the Ram 1500, while the offered 14.5-inch touchscreen has a split-screen feature for double operation between the vehicle driver and guest. For 2025, the pickup truck will be available with a 10.25-inch traveler display. The 2025 Ram 1500 is readily available with new powertrains. The vehicle will continue to include a 3.6-liter V6 engine as criterion. We anticipate the engine to continue making 305 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. An 8-speed automatic transmission is conventional. For 2025, the Ram 1500 is offered with a brand new twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine.